Welcome to Peaceful Narratives. Imagine a world where each day begins with clarity and ends with peace, where every action is filled with meaning and every moment is imbued with mindful presence. Today, we will explore how you can achieve this state by applying Buddhist wisdom in your daily life and discover 3 key lessons about true wealth that can transform your life. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others who are ready to embark on a journey towards inner peace and outer wealth. Stay tuned until the end, where I will reveal a special secret that will make your journey even more powerful. Have you ever wondered how you can achieve true wealth? Not just materially, but also spiritually. Stay with me today as we delve deep into Buddhist wisdom and uncover 3 essential lessons that can transform your life, filling it with wealth and meaning. And at the end, I'll share a special technique that will make this journey even easier and more impactful. Waking with awareness is one of the first steps toward discovering true wealth within Buddhism. When we wake up in the morning, we are greeted by the first light of the day. Instead of rushing out of bed to start our day, take a moment to wake up with mindfulness. Sit up in bed, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. Feel your body slowly come to life and let your thoughts wander freely without judgment. This moment of mindfulness, or meditative presence, is a treasure in itself. By starting the day this way, we set the tone for the rest of the day. We anchor ourselves in the present and open our minds to face the day with clarity and calm. Mindfulness is not just a method for managing stress. It is a way of life that allows us to appreciate every moment. When we are fully present, we find richness in the small things, the rays of the sun through the window, the birds singing in the morning, or the taste of our morning coffee. This mindful presence is the true source of inner wealth. To deepen this experience, spend 5 to 10 minutes each morning sitting in silence and meditating. Focus on your breath and let thoughts pass without getting caught up in them. Before you get up, think of 3 things you are grateful for. This sets a positive tone for the day. Stretch your body mindfully, feeling every movement as your body awakens. To enhance this practice further, you can incorporate mindful activities into your daily routine. For instance, when brushing your teeth, pay attention to the sensations and movements. When taking a shower, feel the water on your skin and the sound of it splashing. These simple practices can transform mundane activities into moments of mindfulness, grounding you in the present and enriching your daily life. As we continue our journey through Buddhist wisdom, we discover wealth through relationships. Cultivating loving kindness, or metta, means developing a loving attitude towards ourselves and others. Start by sitting quietly and thinking of someone you love. Wish them happiness and well-being. Silently say to yourself, "May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe." When you feel ready, extend this feeling of loving kindness to yourself and others around you, even those you have difficulty getting along with. This practice can transform our relationships and create a deeper sense of connection and peace. Loving kindness is not just an internal practice. It also affects how we interact with the world. When we meet others with an open and loving attitude, we create an environment of trust and mutual respect. This leads to wealth in the form of strong and meaningful relationships. Spend a few minutes each day practicing metta meditation. Visualize the people in your life and wish them well. Practice small acts of kindness daily, such as smiling at a stranger, helping a colleague, or sending a kind message. When talking to others, be fully present and listen with your heart. This creates a deeper connection and shows that you truly care. To make loving kindness a more integral part of your life, consider setting daily intentions to act with kindness. You might decide to perform at least one kind act each day, no matter how small. This could be as simple as holding the door open for someone or offering a sincere compliment. Over time, these small acts of kindness accumulate, creating a ripple effect that spreads positivity and fosters a more compassionate community. The third, and perhaps most transformative path to wealth in Buddhism, is understanding and practicing generosity, or dana. Generosity is a fundamental aspect of Buddhist ethics and a direct path to experiencing true wealth. It is not just about material gifts, but also about giving our time, attention, and care. Generosity opens our hearts and creates a flow of positive energy that enriches both the giver and the receiver. When we give without expecting anything in return, we experience deep satisfaction and joy. This is a wealth that cannot be measured in material terms. To practice generosity daily, strive to give something each day: your time, your smile, or a helping hand. Small acts of generosity can make a big difference. Engage in volunteer work in your community. It is a fantastic way to give back and experience the joy of helping others. Share your knowledge and experiences. Helping others grow and develop is one of the most generous acts you can perform. To further embrace the spirit of generosity, consider making it a family or community activity. Involve your loved ones in volunteer projects or charity work. This not only strengthens your bonds, but also teaches the next generation the value of giving. Reflect on the impact your generosity has on others and how it enriches your own life. Keeping a journal of your generous acts and the positive outcomes they bring can be a powerful reminder of the wealth that comes from giving. Living with clarity and peace does not happen overnight. It is a journey, a practice that requires daily commitment and mindful presence. By integrating these three paths, waking with awareness, cultivating loving kindness, and practicing generosity, we can begin to experience a deeper meaning and wealth in every moment. Remember to subscribe to Peaceful Narratives for more insights and practical guides on how to live a life filled with peace and meaning. Share this video with friends and family who can also benefit from these insights. Let us continue exploring ways to live our best lives at every age. Now, as promised, here is the special secret that will make your journey to inner peace even more effective: consistency. Consistency in your practice is the key to experiencing lasting transformation. Make mindfulness, loving kindness, and generosity a daily habit. Even just a few minutes each day can lead to profound changes over time. Create a routine that includes these practices and stick to it. Set aside a specific time each day for meditation and reflection. This consistency will strengthen your practice, deepen your understanding, and bring you closer to the inner peace and wealth you seek. Consistency also means being kind to yourself when you miss a day or struggle with your practice. Remember, the journey is not about perfection, but about persistence and commitment. Each day is a new opportunity to practice and grow. Celebrate your progress and acknowledge the positive changes you see in your life. Thank you for joining me on this journey. We look forward to sharing more moments of wisdom and inspiration with you in the next episode. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content.